Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best tennis rackets. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Head T.S6 Tennis Racket. This is the Head T.S6 tennis racket, an extra-long 27.75-inch, pre-strung racket designed for intermediate players who want easy power and extended reach. At around $99, it sits in the budget to mid-range category, but delivers performance that feels closer to higher-priced graphite rackets, great value for casual to improving players. Head-heavy balance for extra power on ground strokes and serves. Oversized head, large sweet spot, makes it very forgiving on off-center hits. Graphite plus titanium frame gives a strong but lightweight feel. 27.75-inch extended length improves reach and leverage on serves. Pre-strung, ready to use out of the box. Lightweight, 8.9 ounces, reduces arm fatigue during long matches. Designed for intermediate recreational players. Pros. Very powerful for its price. Large sweet spot equals easier for beginners/intermediates. Lightweight and arm-friendly. Great for baseline and serve power. Cons. Less control compared to control-oriented rackets. Extended length can feel slightly awkward for quick net play. Not ideal for advanced players seeking precision. Number 4. Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Racket. This is the Wilson Sporting Goods Tour Slam tennis racket, designed for beginner and recreational adult players who want an easy, forgiving racket to start playing comfortably. At just $36.99, it's one of the most affordable adult tennis rackets. It's built for value and accessibility, making it ideal for first-time players or casual weekend games. Lightweight aluminum plus carbon fiber build for easy handling. Oversized head gives a large sweet spot for more forgiving shots. Power frame technology helps generate extra shot power with less effort. Pre-strung and ready to use right out of the box. Comfort grip, 4 3/8 inches, fits most adult players. Durable frame designed for recreational play. Balanced for easy swings and control learning. Pros. Very budget-friendly. Extremely beginner-friendly and forgiving. Lightweight and easy to swing. Good power for casual play. Cons. Not suitable for advanced or competitive players. Less precision and control at higher skill levels. Durability is basic compared to higher-end graphite rackets. Number 3. Wilson ProStaff 97 ULV 14 Performance Tennis Racket. This is the Wilson Sporting Goods ProStaff 97 ULV 14, a lightweight performance tennis racket designed for intermediate players who want ProStaff precision in an easier-to-swing frame. At around $139, this sits in the mid-range performance category. You're paying for advanced control technology and ProStaff level feel in a lighter, more accessible version. Braid 45 graphite construction for enhanced stability and control. Ultralight 97 UL frame, 9.49 ounces, for faster swing speed and easier handling. Headlight balance improves maneuverability at the net. Strung with Sensation 16 strings for a comfortable, arm-friendly response. Smaller 97 SQ and head size for precision-focused shot placement. Classic ProStaff feel, tuned for intermediate control players. Excellent for volleys, slices, and tactical baseline play. Pros. Very precise and controlled shot making. Lightweight for easier swing speed compared to standard ProStaff. Excellent feel and feedback on contact. Great for improving intermediate players moving toward advanced level. Cons. Smaller sweet spot, less forgiving on off-center hits. Not as powerful as head-heavy or oversized rackets. Requires better technique to use effectively. Number 2. Head GeoSpeed Adult Tennis Racket. This is the Head GeoSpeed Tennis Racket, a pre-strung, lightweight adult racket designed for beginner players who want easy power and simple handling. At around $54.99, it sits in the budget-friendly beginner range. It offers solid entry-level performance with better build quality than ultra-cheap starter rackets. 27.5-inch extended length for extra reach and serving leverage. Light balanced design makes swinging easier for beginners. Titanium plus graphite shaft adds durability with decent flex. Pre-strung setup, ready to play right away. Oversized head gives a forgiving sweet spot for mishits. Lightweight feel, 10.4 ounces, for easier control and less fatigue. Built specifically for new and casual players. Pros: very beginner-friendly and forgiving. Good power generation with minimal effort. Extended length helps with reach and serves. Solid durability for the price. Cons: not suitable for intermediate or advanced control play. Heavier than ultra-light performance rackets. Limited precision compared to higher-end graphite models. Number 1. Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Rackets. This is the Wilson Sporting Goods Tour Slam Tennis Racket, a beginner-friendly recreational racket built for easy power and simple learning on the court. At just $36.99, it's one of the most affordable adult tennis rackets available. It's designed for maximum value, especially for new players or casual weekend games. Lightweight aluminum frame for easy swinging and control. Carbon fiber shaft support adds a bit of stability and feel. Oversized head design creates a larger sweet spot for forgiveness. Pre-strung and ready to play right out of the box. Comfortable 4¼ inches grip size fits most beginners. Built for easy power with minimal technique required. Great for recreational and learning level play. Pros: extremely budget friendly. Very easy to use for beginners. Forgiving sweet spot for mishits. Lightweight and comfortable. Cons: not suitable for advanced competitive play. Limited control and precision. Basic build compared to graphite performance rackets. If you're looking for a cheap and easy starter racket, this is a solid choice. Check the link in the description for the best price. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tennis gear reviews.